Well, good morning. Got something similar I've done in the past. Jana could tell I was getting antsy and she kicked me out of the house. And she said, why don't you go uncover something? That's what I'm gonna do. We got a big old bunch of rocks that lead down to the creek. I've been looking at them for a long time. They're covered with leaves. I think they're beautiful. I'm gonna uncover them. Okay guys, these rocks are very steep and it's just clumps of leaves in there, and you get even further down at this giant birch tree growing out of it, which we're obviously not taking any trees out, but just a bunch of clutter and mess. And what we're hoping to do is clean this up, because one day we'd like to be able to have a little hiking path down here, and when we look up back at the house, it'll be nice and clean. So let's get started. Alright, well, one thing that I've decided is I don't like the vines. There's some vines that are up here that they're not doing anything. They're not doing anybody any good. They're probably killing off the trees. So I'm probably going to cut some of the vines and rip it out. Kind of happy about that. One thing I'm not going to do is get in here and probably disturb a lot of the dirt. Because we got some big trees and roots are, you know, they're really established in there. I like the look of the clean rocks, but I'm not going to disturb these trees. So we're probably not going to be doing a lot of digging out the little dirt crevices, or at least not the big ones that we see roots going through, because we're going to keep that natural. But I'm going to start continuing on down to the creek and blow all these leaves down, and I'll let the creek water take it away. Okay, as you can see, I polluted the creek with leaves, which I think will they will decompose, and you know what? The current is carrying them all downstream, so that will be the person downstream's problem, I guess. But I believe it'll sink to the bottom. I mean, hell, don't leaves fall in creeks every day? Just today was a little bit more than other days. So. I think we'll be okay.
It looks nice from here. It's dispersing.
Yeah, it'll be fine.
Someone there with just the sound of the creek.
All right, well, here's Jana. She has joined us, and say hi, Jana. So you can see, maybe you can see, all these rocks are looking a lot better. It really didn't uncover that much more. It just took the pockets of leaves out of there. So as you can see, the house from this angle. So eventually we'll have a little hiking trail, maybe right through here. I'm thinking right here, have it come down here, and yeah. Anyway, so we're getting a start to that. But there's a really cool tree up here. I'm gonna give the camera to Jana so she can show it to you. So it's kind of growing right into the rock. I think it's neat, so hang on.
There's the tree's funky root growing into this rock.
The tree is eating the rock.
The tree is eating the rock. It's a lot of trees eating rocks, but that one's the biggest.
Alright, so I'm gonna try to pull that vine down first. You can see it here, and it's just a trip hazard because I like to crawl all over these rocks, and believe me, I have tripped. I'm gonna set this down. See if I can get this vine out of the way. That tree might fall on me. Yep. Stupid vine. That vine wouldn't do anybody any good. I got one more vine I want to try to get. I'm going to try to get down here without busting my tail because it's steep. Okay. Here we go. Ooh, this is a big vine.
Am I coming down there?
If you want to come down, this vine is probably responsible for killing a couple things. You know, one of the things I'm going to have to worry about is when I cut the vine, that it's going to try to re-sprout from the root, so I'll probably keep an eye on that and kind of kill it off with some environmentally friendly Roundup. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. Let me get this other vine. Be careful, don't fall. It's steep. All right, I'm gonna give you the camera. It's rolling. So I think this is the start of that big vine right here. I'm gonna try to cut it out low. Here. Ooh, salty. Yeah. Wow, it's all the way up in that oak tree. Any limbs gonna hit me?
I don't think so.
Uh-oh, something's coming loose.
Whoa. That was really loud.
What do you think the best route is?
I don't know.
I get it.
You got it, Bryce.
This is the only way I can get it done. Where's my son?
He's up there. Hold on, I'll help you.
I gotta turn this up.
Okay.
Did you see the panic in my hands? Okay, as you can see behind me, we have cleaned up the rocks. It may not look like much to you, but to me it looks great. Yeah, so all those rocks are now not covered in leaves. We got rid of some vines, and Jana's ready to go eat, so we're gonna say adios. Hope you enjoyed this video. See you guys.